Hey, so what's up, guys? I want to introduce myself. My name is Joe, and this is my 2017 Mustang GT. I have some exciting news for you guys. I ended up buying a Stage 2 for my car by Ford Performance, and we're going to be getting installed tomorrow at the dealership. But before we get installed, I kind of want to do a little unboxing of the Stage 2 Performance. That way you guys can see what comes with the product and what you guys can expect from getting a Stage 2 kit from Ford Performance. So before we do that though, I'm going to do a little quick walkthrough of my car. That way you kind of see what I already have on my car currently. And yeah, let's go from there. So pretty much this is the walkthrough of my car right here. I haven't really done anything much to the car. Everything's pretty much stock as it is. I mean, one thing that I really just installed the other day was a Steeda oil separator, which I heard was very beneficial when it comes to installing Stage 2. It prevents any pinging from happening from what I guess some reviews were saying is caused by the Stage 2. It pretty much prevents the oil from getting into your intake, your throttle body, all that nasty junk that you shouldn't be having, which it pretty much over time decreases your oxygen level. So that's something good to have. I got it for $139 at cjpony.com. Something you guys may want to look at. So another upgrade into my car, guys, was I pretty much ended up buying a 20-inch TSW Geneva rims. I'm running Nitos in the front, 275s, and in the back I'm running 305s. Usually stock GTs, they come with, I believe it's 255s all around, which when you have a V8 muscle car like this, you pretty much lose traction like crazy. And especially when you put the Stage 2, it's something that you would want some fat tires at the back. Another upgrade that I did do when I got these tires and wheels installed was pretty much I ended up getting some iBox lowering springs, which in the front it lowered it by 1.5 inches and in the back by 1.2 inches. Honestly, just makes the car look very aggressive. Alright, so that's everything about what I put in my car. So yeah, let's get to the unboxing part of this video. Alright guys, so pretty much when you get this Stage 2 kit shipped to your guys' house, you get this shit in a pretty big fucking box, as you could tell. What's supposed to come with this kit, it's going to be everything from a GT350, the cold air intake, a throttle body spacer, and also the actual tune and OBD for performance. So let's go ahead and check this out now. So yeah, as you guys can tell, damn, this is massive. This will be, I guess, the cold air intake that we will be installing in the car, replacing the stock intake. This uses a paper filter, 50 state CARB legal. Put this right here. Got a GT350 throttle body. I believe it's 87 millimeters. Stock is 80. Pretty big. You get some foam paper, some little bubbles. So you get this right here, which I'm not really sure exactly what this is used for right now until I guess tomorrow. OBD, and it has a voucher code inside. Once you guys pretty much log into Ford Performance on their website, you would pretty much make an account, put that in there, and start your tune. Throttle body spacer, so it could adapt the new GT350 intake to the stock GT. You get your O-ring for the throttle body spacer. Throtty. And then you get your plug. And I heard that the bitchest part about this install is pretty much taking out the sound tube, which is pretty much the bolt it's all in the back of the engine. Yeah, I don't know what this is for. Yeah, I don't know what this is for either, but that's pretty much it, guys. This is what you get from a Stage 2, and tomorrow I'll be driving to Tustin Auto Nation Ford, having them install it, because obviously you want to keep your warranty intact if you guys are below, you know, you still have low mileage under GT. Install usually takes about 3 to 4 hours from what they tell me. This kit from right online, it adds 21 horsepower and 24 pounds of torque, and 40 pounds of torque at 1500 RPM, which on this car you're gonna be able to feel. From what I read on a bunch of reviews, you're gonna burn your tires out pretty much, waste them. So anyways, guys, that's pretty much it for today. Yeah, I guess we'll find out how everything goes tomorrow. Just dropped off my car to Ford right now, Auto Nation in Tustin. Told me about to be a 3 to 4 hour job. I'm also getting an oil change done. So yeah, I'll show you guys a video of the after of how it feels and everything, man. All right, guys, so we're back from the dealership. We finally got the Power Pack Stage 2 installed on the GT, and I'm gonna be real honest with you guys. There is a big difference from stock to Stage 2. Let me go ahead and show you how it looks under the hood. Yeah, so you have your little big fat intake right here from the GT 350. You can't really tell, but you got your throttle body and the tune. It's pretty much all it is. It took them about 3-4 hours for them to install it. Kept my warranty. That's the reason why you guys want to go with Ford to install the kit. And I'm gonna be real honest with you guys. Like I said, there is a massive difference between stock and this. It's just super torquey on the low end. Even at the peak gains, it's freaking, you feel it. And at the same time, you're able to go all the way up to 7,000 RPM and shift. Regarding the shifts, it shifts faster actually. Not too fast than what stock was, but it's very subtle, I guess you guys could say, as far as the shifting goes. You do feel that 40 pounds of torque at the 1500 RPM range. And yeah. Alright guys, so I'm driving around the Mustang with the Power Pack 2 installed now. Just kind of want to explain to you the differences I feel, even though you guys can't really feel it through a video. Just kind of give you a basis of where I'm coming from with the differences from stock to Stage 2. And just make this right turn right here. So as soon as I started driving this, one thing I did notice is that the torque, it's just more, it's more there. I know previously when it was in stock mode, it took a while for the car to get there. It kind of just felt like the car was hesitant, like you kind of had to push the gas down and then it started going. But with this now, the torque is just more like, it just wants to pretty much go. Another thing I did too, since I wanted to kind of test it out to the max, was I noticed that you can now shift your gears at 7,000 RPM. Even rev it up to 7,000 RPM, which it sounds fucking badass if you guys have an exhaust system on your Ford GT already. One thing I also noticed from stock to this tune is the shifting. Now the shifting to me from stock, it doesn't, it's more like a subtle difference. It's not that huge of a difference, but it's still, it's more better than it was stock. I see like it just has a fine point. It just shifts finer to than what it was when it was during stock. See, I just shifted. Even when you downshift too, it just seems like it kind of knows where it's downshifting now, and it doesn't have any kind of lag to it. To me, as far as the exhaust goes, if you guys do have an exhaust and not running on a stock exhaust, it does make the car sound more meaner and I guess beefier, deeper, as you could say. And I know I've seen a lot of reviews where a lot of people are complaining about the cabin noise from removing the sound tube, and to be honest, I really did not hear any difference at all. If you guys have an exhaust system in your car, you won't even care. It's not much of a difference. It's just gonna sound even more meaner, especially when you turn on the car at cold start. I feel like they've tuned it more to where it turns on and it kind of like goes up to like 2,000 RPM and then drops, so it kind of gives it that loud, beefy, you know, when you turn the car on. Other than that, the car just feels freaking smooth. That's, you know, I love it. I feel personally spending the $900 or almost $1,000 because I'm including the installation that I had to take it to the dealership. It was honestly worth it. I'm really happy with the buy, and I suggest all of you guys. Here, let me just let you hear it right quick. And that was me shifting at 7,000 RPM. Yeah, I love the car. That's all I can tell you guys. If you guys are trying, like I said, I did it because of warranty purposes. I have 22,000 miles in my car right now, and for me, I don't have a lot of money to be spending there and there. My car breaks down, so for those guys who are trying to save money, I suggest you guys get the stage 2 kit before your warranty expires. Obviously, once I get once my warranty is overdone with that 36,000 miles, I'm probably gonna go with a Lund tune, get a PMOS intake, get some cook headers, and just build from there. But for right now, as far as just tuning it goes, this is pretty much all I'm gonna do my car. And to be honest with you guys, it's just a must go, and it's worth that $800 whether you buy it from LMR, CJ Pony, or AmericanMuscle.com. Any of those sites, it's just worth the price. Personally, I would go with American Muscle just because the price to me was a little cheaper on there. I think it went for like $720, and then installation from the dealership ran me $210. So if you guys are getting quoted like a $300, I suggest you kind of just keep, you know, calling around, getting different pricing. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. If you guys have any questions, just, you know, send me a message to my channel. Check out also my music. I do make music. You can hear it in the back right now as I'm talking. You can check that out as well. But that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and like I said, if you guys have any questions, just feel free to send me a message. I'm going to answer all of them. Hope you guys enjoyed. Peace out.